Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix if your bank declined your payment. So guys, if you are facing the error and it's showing their error, your bank declined the payment, please contact with your bank for more information. So if you're facing these error on Cash App, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So firstly, you have to open Cash App from here. So guys, after that, just simply tap on your profile and make sure that your information is as same as that you have given in your bank account. Just simply make sure that you have entered a correct spelling in your bank account on your Cash App also. So if you are going to give your bank account on Cash App, just simply make sure that showing the same information here. So guys, if the information is same and still you are facing the errors, then what you need to do is just simply contact with your bank and tell them that they allow you to give any of transaction from Cash App, because your bank don't allow you to give your account in any of the apps. So just simply you have to take permission from your bank, and after that check whether your form has been fixed or not. And once it's there guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to contact with Cash App support team. Just simply you have to chat them that and tell them that you are facing this type of error and your information is correct. So after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.